Welcome back, fellow welt shavers. JR here. It is Lather Catcher Sunday. Today we're going to be shaving with my Superior Safety Razor Lather Catcher using a Gem Blue Star blade with my little spacer. We're using Mitchell's wool fat. Going to be lathering with Tom's Bunny B400 and finish off with a little Aqua Velva musk. So let's get started here. We wet the brush with cold water. Wet the face. Okay. That's the prep. Okay, now Mitchell's wool fat. Just gonna rub it on. And then we're gonna start lathering on the face. Let's see what we get. Okay. Some people have trouble lathering Mitchell's. This is cold water. Forget the bowl. I'm just going to lather it straight on the face. Get plenty of lather. And you stay in one place and look at that lather coming up. Why? Yeah, creamy. Alright, so there we go. Got a great lather going here. And now for the shave. Made this handle, by the way. Brand new blade. It's a carbon steel blade too. I think they're smoother than stainless. Just have to remember to dry them off between uses. And there we go for the first pass. Let's see how we did. Pretty good. Now for the cleanup pass. Okay. Gets the green. Alright, let's see what we have. Usually right here. I think that'll do it, folks. Hot water's coming from the other end of the house, and we're cleaning our brush. Take the soap out of it. Squeeze it, shake it off, and then paint dry it. And now it's ready to go. Clean up the lather catcher. It's a fine little razor. And let's see here. There's the little backer on my blade. It's 3D printed. It just kind of bumps up the back of the blade a little bit to give it sort of the same angle that that a wedge blade would have if it was in the razor. So that's done. And with my carbon blades, I do like to belly strop them 8 times on each side, and then that'll be ready to go next time I need to use that blade. Okay, so there you go, folks. I don't want to forget my aqua velva. Here we go. There we go. Now I'm clean, smooth, and refreshed, and hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful Lord's Day, and great week. Stay safe out there. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Beat me up, Scotty.